in there. And we have a piece of paper here. Shows authenticity, nice. And promotion, not worried about the promotion because that's bonus. I'm worried about the actual amount here. It says 1 million. I'll leave that right here. 1 million it says. So let's open this up and count it. I'm just gonna make sure that. Yep, still recording. Okay. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, this is empty. I took everything out. Okay. Got a bunch of bills here, so let's start counting. 25, 50, 75, 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 300,000. Put this like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 400,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 500,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 600,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 700,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 800,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 900,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 million. Okay. Got it.